What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here, and it's about 4:15. I gotta run to the post office. We had one shirt sale over on eBay, nothing too great. I'm gonna go thrifting. I'm gonna go hit up a red, white, and blue, which is just like a big thrift store, just like a Savers or a Goodwill, except it's bigger. Prices can be kind of crazy. As you guys see in my videos, prices can be insane at these thrift stores, but we're gonna try and find some things, pick it up, hopefully a lot of Amazon stuff to sell. If I can find some eBay stuff, I'm happy anyways. They close at 6 o'clock. It takes me about 30 minutes to get there, so I'm only gonna have a little over an hour to go shopping. Let's hop in the car, let's get down there, let's go make some money. I'm pumped. You guys pumped? I'm pumped. Let's go. Forgot to mention, I'm wearing a coat because it's like 10 degrees outside, and it looks like I'm gonna have to take the sob because I blocked myself in. Actually, I might be able to get out with the Subi. I don't know. I think I'm gonna take the sob. Pretty sure for a fact you can't see it, but it just started snowing. You can see up in the sky. Got some clouds. It's not super cloudy, but it started to snow. What's the temperature at? It says 37. I do not believe that. Once I drive around for a little bit, it'll probably adjust. No clue if you guys can see this, but really starting to snow now. Hopefully taking the Saab wasn't a bad choice today. The Subaru was fine in the snow, but the Saab not so much. We shall see. It's coming down. Doesn't look like the camera's picking it up, but it's really coming down. So it's alright, still going thrifting, still gonna make some money. Still happy, gotta make that money, honey. All right, so we just got here at the thrift store, but this kind of sucks. Look at how packed it is. It's the day before Thanksgiving. Literally the entire parking lot is jam-packed. So that's gonna be really fun. I see a lot of people inside right there. Let's go in. Hopefully I find something. Looks like all the carts are gone also. Holy moly. All right, so I found a few things, a CD. You could see right there, the used price is coming in at 20. Non-FBAs are coming in at 6.90, so I'd probably price it around 10, maybe a little bit more. Not bad. A few video games here, nothing too great, but still decent prices, $3. This is gonna be for myself for $2. $2 for that, but the rank's really high. I might leave it behind, but we're still looking around in here. They had a whole bunch of video games, but just nothing really worth it. See, they got a whole bunch of stuff over there, lots of board games. Got a whole bunch of Nerf guns up here. Look at that. They go all the way down. Look at this one, $5. Has all those magazines. This might be worth it. It's missing a couple. I don't know, I'm gonna have to look it up. It's pretty sweet for $5. Never seen that exact one before. There's so many up here. This little guy, $3. There's a bunch. I'm gonna start looking some up. So this one's pretty interesting. You can see the rank's pretty high on it. Almost 800,000 in toys, which is pushing it. $70 though is the cheapest for this clear one. Pretty sweet. This one that I showed you guys earlier, I cannot find a single model on it. See how this right here says Deploy CS6? This has nothing like that on it, and I cannot find it. I think I'm gonna grab it for $5. It's super unique, but I'm still looking at them all, trying to look them up. And I mean, 70 bucks, high rank, but Christmas is coming. I gotta test it. It looks like darts are stuck in it, so I gotta test it. This one, I wanna test also. Definitely gotta test these before you buy them. Here's all the rest of the video games. There's a whole bunch here. Skylanders, of course, not worth anything. Some rock bands. Maybe The Little Mermaid. Just a whole bunch of games here. I'm gonna scan them all, see if I can find anything that sticks out to me. It's a shame this game's not worth anything. I remember playing this game back in the day, Jaws Unleashed. You just go around as a shark and you eat people and destroy boats. This game is really fun. It's $3 on Amazon right now. It looks like 10. I would make $1.25. I might get it for myself, play it tonight, because I remember this game. It was really fun. You know, I'm grabbing it. Now, I'm sure I've mentioned this before, but hardcover Harry Potter books, 95 cents each. That's pretty solid. If you could get the entire set, bundle them up, you could get about 70 to 80 bucks over on eBay. So still trying to build the complete set. 99 cents a piece is a pretty good deal. I wouldn't spend much more than that. Maybe $2 a piece is my max, because they really add up, and then these things get pretty heavy to ship, but medium mail is a pretty cheap way to ship things. Right now I'm looking at these box sets, book box sets. I scanned all those up there, nothing. But I'm looking at some DVD box sets and some books box sets. We'll see what we find. As you can see right here, this is $4. It's going on Amazon right now for, if it will focus for me, $17.94. I'd make $8.36, so I'd make about $4 after fees. Not really worth it to me because you can see the merchants are coming in all the way down to $7. So that is a pretty big price gap, but it has a great rank, and with Christmas coming up, I feel like it still will sell at that price. A lot of things will go for a lot more during Christmas time because of you know, people want to pay Amazon Prime, FBA, get it shipped to them in 2 days guaranteed. I might grab it, I don't know. Spend 4 to make 4, it's not really that good. You know what, I'm gonna put it back, but we will scan this Lord of the Rings box set. They want 4 for this as well. Let's see. And I'm using the Amazon seller app right here. I get a lot of questions asking what I use to look these things up. Just in the app store, you type in Amazon seller app. JR Tolkien box set. Look at that, that's really cheap. Does not sell for a lot, so we'll put it back. Now this is interesting. This is Chronicles of Narnia on disc for $10. Audiobooks. Let's see what this is going for. It was originally selling for $75 in the store. They want 10. Amazon, you could sell it for $32. But as you can see, those merchants are coming in way lower. If it was new, it would definitely be a buy. The rank, not that bad, honestly. This might be something I actually grab. Spend 10 to make 11. Gotta make sure all the CDs are in there, though. And it looks like there's a lot. Oh no, there's all 7 books in here. You can see how many discs are in there. It looks like a few might be missing, but might take a look at that. Let's see what else we have in here. That's about it. Maybe these Memorex mini DVDRs. $3.99. Let's see what we got. 5-pack, just like this. Is that what they are? They're a little different. Let's see if I can find the same ones. I cannot. So these are probably the same, but I don't like to buy things with different pictures in case the people get upset. I would have made $4 on it anyways, but I'm gonna leave it. Just, I don't like to mess with that. It's a shame DVDs are restricted for me. $6 right here. Great rank in DVD. 9,000. Used, selling for $48. I would have made $35 minus the 6. I would have made 29 bucks. It would have sold really fast. I come across stuff like this a lot. It's just a shame I cannot pick stuff like that up. You see all the box sets down there. Those are all DVD box sets. Sometimes I will do a double check and check on eBay, but the price is usually really low on eBay. Here, like we have a whole bunch over here. Jesus and Mary and Art. Brand new sealed for $3. I bet you it's going for some money. Let's see. If it'll scan. There we go. Oh, actually, this one's only going for $9. So, not all of them go for good money, but some anime. MacGyver. Well, why is that $10? That's crazy. Still, interesting stuff. So we're back towards all those Nerf guns. I can't get either one of these to shoot correctly, so I'm gonna leave them. They would take up a bunch of space anyways. It wouldn't really be worth it. I mean, $5 each isn't bad, but I can't get them to shoot correctly. They keep jamming. See that? The bullet just stays right there once you shoot it. Same thing on that one. I've taken it out, tried to do the, tried to replace it in the magazine. Just not working, so I'm gonna leave them both. Just got back home. You guys can see it snowed a little bit. The main deal that you guys can't see, there is black ice all over the road. I mean, I'm just sliding around. I know you can't see anything, but you can hear me. I could slide all the way down this driveway. It's insane. Just got a light coating of snow, but that's that, guys. Found some good things, mostly media, mostly books and video games. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, we got a little bit of snow, a little dusting, but mostly books, mostly media. hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. It's time for me to go inside. Thanksgiving is tomorrow, guys. Hope you all have a good one. This is Thrift School, signing out. See ya.